Little Kittens. They lost their mittens, and they began to cry. "Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost." "What? You've lost your mittens? You naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie." "Meow, meow, meow, no, you shall have no pie." The three little kittens, they found their mittens, and they began to cry. "Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found." "What? Found your mittens? Then you're good kittens, and now you can have some pie. Purr, purr, purr." Yes, let's have some pie. The three kittens put on their mittens, and soon they ate up their pie. "Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled." "What? Soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens?" Then they began to sigh. Meow, meow. And they began to sigh. The three little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. "Oh, mother dear, do you not hear? Our mittens we have washed." "Wait? Washed your mittens? Then you are good kittens. But I smell a rat close by. Meow, meow, meow." Yes, I smell a rat close by. The end. Three little kittens.